this new video I'm going to show you how to use the cooking mechanism. For this you need some equipment. You do need this pot, so I'll place it right here. You can buy a pot for 5,000 coins. So yeah, you go to tools. Over here on the left you see a pot which costs 5,000 coins. For cooking you also need some cooking mix. So all you need is a pot which will cost you 5,000 coins. You need cooking mix which costs you 2,500 coins, and you need at least one type of crop. You can go for the popberry, for the grumpkin, or for a carrot. So we need to go back to Terravilla. If you're in Terravilla you go to the upper right corner of the square, you click on the portal and you go to public farm. If you are on public farm you go to the right and you find this bonfire over here. You can select your pot and click on the fire. Right now you're in the cooking mechanism, the part of the game where you can cook. There are 7 types of food you can cook. Depends on which crop you use and also the order of the recipe. So for example, let's go for the popberry. If you select the popberry and you place it in the pot, you can see that popberry appears on top over here. Then you can select the cooking mix, place it in the pan. Okay, right now when you do the popberry first and then the cooking mix and you hit cook, you get a popberry loaf. You will get a different item when you hit the cooking mix first and then the popberry. Let's hit cook and wait a few seconds. Here you have a popberry pie. So it's different. The order of which you use the ingredients, you will get a different outcome. So for example, for a grumpkin, you can select it, you can place it in the pot and then the cooking mix. So grumpkin first, cooking mix second. Let's hit cook. We will get a grumpkin loaf. But if you do it the other way around, hit the cooking mix first and then the grumpkin, we get a different type of food. We get the grumpkin pie. Right now we also have the carrots, so I can place the carrots first, then the cooking mix, hit cook, you get the carrot loaf. But if you turn it around, so cooking mix first and then the carrot, then you get the carrot pie right here. If you do something else, maybe this one and this one, and you hit cook, then you get a bowl of sludge which isn't worth anything. So yeah, always use a cooking mix with one of the crops you have. The order in which you use them will determine the outcome. So right now I have one popberry loaf, I have one popberry pie, I have one grumpkin loaf, one grumpkin pie, one carrot loaf and one carrot pie. You can eat them if you want. You can go right here and click on your avatar. When you eat it, your energy bar will top up with 100 energy. So now you know how to cook. The real utility of cooking is you need the popberry pie for the 4th quest, cook, line and sinker. So yeah, you need this item for the 4th quest. Besides that, you can cook some of these types of food. You can eat them to regain 100 energy points. So you can click on one of these items and then place it on your avatar. Other than that, there is no real utility. Maybe it will come in chapter 1 at the end of October. But for now it's a fun way of experimenting a little bit, and of course you need it for the 4th quest.